In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using Blender and Krita. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. Shift D to duplicate. Let's create a pyramid mesh by scaling the top face like this. I'll move these meshes aside for now. We need to use this plane to add a set of particles like this. Please match my settings. We need one more set for the pyramids. Ctrl A to make instances real. We won't need the original meshes. Let's put the cubes and the pyramids in separate collections. After selecting the meshes, type M to put them into a new collection. We need to randomly transform them. Let's select all the meshes, duplicate them, rotate them, and place them a bit lower. Time to set up the render scene. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is a bug. Blender is rendering once again for some reason. Here is the render image. I'll show you an optional Krita image enhancement procedure. The idea is to apply this filter, to add circular patterns. Please match my settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.